Interstellar messages, the Galactic Federation and the divine plan in motion. I am transcribing this message, now at the request of Commander Ascension. The final outcome of these times is that brothers and sisters of planet Earth draws ever closer. Today, we address all of you who possess sufficient awareness to understand these words of reunion, communicated through conscious contact on this new day that unfolds before you. We connect here and now to request prudence, patience, and above all, collaboration during these special moments for your planet, the solar system, and the entire galaxy. We are patrolling your airspace to monitor, control, and secure the grand plan established by those responsible for this corner of the universe you call the Milky Way. We, along with the Galactic Federation, stand ready to collaborate in the upcoming events that will unfold on Earth. An entire fleet of silver interstellar ships, led by myself, Commander Ashta, has taken positions so that no entity or group of entities can disrupt or fail to execute the plan and manifest the beloved light that is already being established on your planet. The timelines you have are going to be fulfilled. All the leaders of the most powerful governments on the planet have been informed, alerted, and instructed about the conditions and changes to be enacted in this cosmic cycle, which has now reached its end. We will give them a vote of confidence and wait. Once the deadline expires, the emergence of our army of light will be unstoppable. Our technology, at the service of the light and the divine plan, will be relentless toward all who seek to obstruct the ascension process of this planet. The process of the new Earth will take place without political, economic, religious, or racial impediments. The appearance of our silver ships, alongside other events happening simultaneously, will guarantee the establishment of a new paradigm across the entire planet. At that time, the great awakening of humanity will trigger a massive release of light that will destroy all accumulated density in Earth's astral realm, freeing it from that dense energy and transmuting it into light, eradicating suffering, disease, and any egregore of aggression and selfishness. All such negativity will be eliminated in this act of collective ascension. It may be unimaginable to your minds, but this message is directed at all light workers who are cooperating in every corner of the planet, silently, honestly, and in solidarity. Be prepared for when your services are required, because from this frequency in which we are connecting with you, we know each and every one of you. We have located you all. Our fleet of ships uses sophisticated technology. Everyone is listed in a system of records that documents your achievements, current level of awareness, and degree of commitment in the planetary ascension process. In this record system, you are monitored so that your progress can be continually updated, allowing us to understand your capacity for action and degree of collaboration. This approach helps us respect free will to the greatest extent, while always remaining aware of the level of support we can expect from each of you. Discernment in these times is crucial, as not everything done or said in the name of the light is genuinely aligned with it. Focus your efforts, your consciousness, and your service on the establishment of light on this planet. Work from a place of light and stay centered in the light. Be very mindful of these words and protect yourselves at all times. The Galactic Federation in full is here, right now, to assist. We share this message of awareness and unification so that you may know how to control your mind and your emotions. I, Commander Ashta, Chief of the Galactic Federation and in command of the Silver Starships, now request the collaboration of all beings on the planet who are at a high frequency to understand this communique. It is directed, without exception, to all awakened and conscious souls on the planet, wherever you may be, and to all souls who, during the planet's liberation, may awaken and thus serve the same process. Please share this message with as many people as possible who can understand, grasp, and apply it. Take this message for what it is: the establishment of light, love, and power on this planet Earth. You are greatly loved. May this message reach the hands of every last light worker. Blessings to each of you. I am Commander Ascension. In many countries, these ships are already visible in the night sky. Each day, the skies become illuminated, and some light workers have seen a brilliant light shining through their windows at home, coming from these ships. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of light at the service of humanity and the enlightenment of the new earth. And this is voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We stand by you in every step. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of eternal light and love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.